I send my greetings to everyone. Welcome to Account IT Academy, and we are doing Marg basic tutorials. And today episode we are going to study Marg Gateway or the Marg dashboard. We are not going to take much long time. Share this video, like, subscribe, and then comment as well with all your questions and then your suggestions too. So quickly, let's launch our software. Then begin. Okay. All of us know how to create company by now. So just select your company and then press enter on it like this. And then you will have some options. We have the first one as Marg Gateway, file maintenance, backup of financial year, restore backup, new financial year, delete financial year, error check-ins, and then rewriting. We are going to tackle the first one today. So in this video, just press enter on the first one, or you can also press on A key. Okay, so this is what is called the Marg Gateway. Yes, this interface you see is called the Marg Gateway, and today we are going to know the buttons and then the features of the Marg Gateway. Now on the first light blue bar, we have this close button and then maximize or restore button to and the minimize button. Okay, we all know what these buttons do. If you want to minimize, you do so. If you want to maximize, you do so. If you want to close, you use this one. Fine. And on our right, on our left, you can see Marg ERP 9 Plus, Gold 99, and then some dates, and then whatever. Now this is what it is. On the title bar, or on the light blue bar, it's called the title bar, and on it is where you can find the type of Marg you are using. So we have types of Marg. We have basic, we have gold, we have silver, and then under this type we also have versions of Marg there. But today you can see from my title bar that I'm using Marg ERP 9 Plus Gold. Okay, so this is the type of Marg I'm using. Okay, and this is also a date. 29th 11 2021. That is actually when this company was created. And then you can also see that I'm using a trial version. So when it is licensed, you will see my license name to here. Okay, and then the company I am working in is called it's Marg Basic English, and then the branch code will come first. Look at it from here. You see the name is Marg Basic English, and then the branch code or the code for this company is English. Okay, so that is why you see English and then Marg Basic English. The code is always unique. Good. And then what follows is the transaction year. So you can see that this one is 2022 to 2022. It just tells you the transaction year of the company, and then the user Elijah. Whoever logs in, it also displays the person's name there, because whatever you do, the software is going to register it in your name. The next bar is called the menu bar, which has a lot of tabs there. So the first one, or the first tab, is called Masters. This is where we create everything new from here, creating ledgers, creating items, creating companies, a whole lot. okay, creating countries, creating states. This is where we do all this. So as we move on, we'll be tackling this one after the other, so don't miss any of this episode. But today we are only focusing on the dashboard. So we have masters, the next is transaction. This is where you do your entries, your sales entries, your purchase entries, sales return, and other issues. And then you move to the account. On the account, we have various tabs to sub links there. When you come to digital, then books, final report, VAT, stocks, daily report, hotkeys, links, and then exit. So that is the menu bar. Okay, good. And then under it is this one, ask me, Marg support. Those ones are also, it's like a Marg help links that helps you, can help you search for other informations, or can help you to use the software in a good way. Okay, so you can go to ask me, you can go to Marg help. We have a lot of resources there. If you are finding problem, you can also support tickets. You can book a ticket if you have a problem and you want people to help you. We have our support team there that will help you through that. Then we have remote support, and then you can join a webinar, and you can also search menu. So these ones are help links that gives you external helps, okay, from our team, from other resources, okay. And then this here, sometimes we can display adverts there. You can also replace that box with your company logo or any other image if you want to. You can also do that one. And then under it we have other email retail analysis, Google Map. This, all these ones too are external links, just like these top ones. Okay, good. And then when you come to this side, we call it shortcut buttons. Okay, this one are links that a very short link that helps you to cut down your navigations. So if you want to go to sales, usually you have to go to transactions, you go to sales, and then bill. So instead of following this process, you can easily click on this and it will land you in the same area. Okay, so these ones are called shortcut buttons. Okay, you can change these shortcut buttons and replace them with whatever you want to replace with. You can change the name, you can do anything you want to do with the shortcut buttons. Okay, you can change them. And then this one also is like a dashboard where sometimes we display adverts, but you can also be using it in your own way by displaying the current transactions, current bills, current entries from this side. Okay, so you can also do that one there. Then when you come to the left side here, this one's it in twofold. The first one is most viewed reports, and the second one is recently viewed reports. So these ones are also links, just like the shortcut buttons, but the difference is that shortcut buttons are static, they don't change. But on the left side, you will have links wherever you go, it registers there. So if you remember, I went to bill, I went here, sales, transaction, and then bill. So this is the sales entry if I want to sell anything. And then the software will register a link here for me. So let me take another example. I go to transaction, I go to purchase, and then wholesale. Okay, quickly the software register a link for me. Okay, so most viewed reports, it's here. And then recently, which one did I viewed first? Is this one. Okay, so the ones that you view most will be displayed here, and the recent one will also be displayed here. Okay, these ones too are all other external links. Okay, so digital order, digital collection, connecting bank then digital delivery. If you want to do all these stuffs, you need to connect them. Okay, then when you come here, this is where your company details also display on the software. So you can see from my end here that I have marked basic English, and then the code will also follow, and then my address, my postal address, my tin number, my transaction year and stuff. Okay, from January to December, that is my transaction year. And then your current dates will also be displayed here. Day, month, year, the day, and then time will also follow as such. Okay, and then there are also some hints here that helps you to do other things. If you want to look at your items, if you want to look at your ledgers or parties, if you want to switch a user, if you want to view a file directory, this ones are also a guide. Okay, and then this is where your company, when you buy the software, your license will be displayed here. Okay, and then it will also be shown at the side. So do well, get Marg software, and then get your license too. And this is where our own address will also follow. So your partner or your provider address will be there, or Marg CompuSoft's address will also be shown there. So you can see Marg ERP Limited, the support if you want to mail them, any helplines if you want to call or call for inquiries or any other thing. So basically this is the Marg gateway we've been talking about. It's so easy to know this dashboarding. When you know it most, it helps you in so many ways. So quickly go through this video, play and play again, know the various sessions I've showed you, and enjoy your video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share, like, and comment all your inquiries. Thank you so much. Bye.